Act like I'm working. Alright, good morning guys. So we just picked up our flyers. Let's open it. So you guys know we're doing a pop-up. You guys know we're the pop-up queens, but we're doing our own. We're hosting our own event with our 2 other business partners. So I have to put that out there. So a lot of people said we needed flyers, but we already knew we needed flyers. So yeah, let's open this. We paid what, 300? How much is this? How much was this?
It wasn't about 300.
No, like 2.
We got a hookup.
Okay, got a little hookup.
Gotta know people.
That's all about. It's all about who you know. But literally, it's gonna be a busy day for us. We went to run to downtown. We have a huge pop-up tomorrow. You guys already know. A huge pop-up tomorrow. Ooh. How much is it one stack? Ooh. Where'd I go? Okay. They're pretty. I like them small too.
Yeah, cause people want. I want to hold that big old thing.
So we got 2,000. This is how it looks, guys. We'll be passing these out all day tomorrow. I like this. I like these.
You like them?
Yeah, I really do. I really do.
Okay.
The size is perfect.
The quality of paper is good.
Everything's good. All right, let's go to downtown. I'm very satisfied.
Downtown.
All right, I'll show you guys. Of course, you guys will see it. Oh, before I end the vlog, I'm not even gonna end the vlog. Before we cut to the next scene, go watch our last pop-up, which was at our event. It was amazing for our first event. Our hookah was lit. It was good. It's gonna be better. We have another one July 10th. All right, so let's go. Fashion district. Okay, so we picked up a few items. It's hot too. Of course, we couldn't vlog inside because you can't use your cameras inside. But we spent a good amount of money. Hopefully, we can make our money back.
We will. $40 a piece, right? 30.
Okay, it's 11 o'clock. What you want to do?
Start heading that way and then go get some food.
All right. We'll get Subway.
Cause we have to meet her at what time?
That's at 2.
Oh.
We'll meet in at 2. So who wants to get Subway and go in the house? You want Subway? What you want? The rolls have changed. What you want to eat?
Not Subway.
Cause we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory tonight.
Right.
And I really want to go to Cheesecake Factory.
I know.
It's supposed to be for her birthday, and I told her where we going for her birthday. Her birthday's Sunday.
I have to go to the couple of stores, and I need to go to Rainbow.
Alright guys.
Let's go to KFC.
We have a meeting at 2 with our business partners, so we have to be on the road by 1. It's 11 o'clock. Making good timing. So yeah, I'm about to turn the camera off. You guys know I don't have a car mount for my camera, and that's why I keep moving like this. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're here at the spot where we do our pop-ups. You guys already know we're hosting events. We're about to basically plan out how many vendors we can bring.
Okay. She's like, I'm getting my hair done.
Definitely 4. No, did we have 5 on this wall last time?
No, we had 3.
3.
But they were way over 10 by 10.
They had
Dazzleberries was way over 10 by 10. So that did, but we didn't have any ones to fill it, so that's why I wasn't really like crazy.
So this vendor is gonna be right here in between the red.
I didn't think about what is that going to look like from the dance floor when I'm looking at vendors' backs.
I love the beach.
I know. I don't know if I would be in. got done with our meeting and we're about to have her birthday dinner. Yeah. Since we're on her birthday, it's actually, huh? So since her birthday's on Sunday, we have to work. So it's our view. You guys can't really see it, but that's our view. She got her food and I got my appetizers. Virgin drinks. So I'm still waiting on my food, eating bread. My mom got her food. That's weird. We got food at the same time. Alright, finally the food came and her food's cold now. That was unacceptable actually.
It looks pretty.
Happy birthday! You can't wait to see her. Happy birthday! My birthday!
I set those right there for you. Thank you. My pleasure.
She's not getting it? I know she is not sharing. There's a healthy piece. I am so full. We got our little, I got some cheesecake to go. Now it's back to work. We have to go to this grocery store.
Back to work.
Because we have to stock up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be an all-day event, so we want snacks, of course, water, juices, and all that.
It's gonna be that first van over there by the entrance. Okay?
By the entrance. Got it.
Let's just pick up truck.
Yeah.
Here. I'm gonna take the phone.
Alright,
Go through each driver's side. Dang.
It's like throw up here.
Yeah.
Anything else? Oh, yeah. So fruit. Well,
And
back.
food. Back. I don't see anything. It's filthy. You see a mark?
Yeah.
There's no X on it?
What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, that's not. That's the dumb thing.
You think so?
Yeah. Anyway, we got it on footage.
Alright.
You want to check inside for the large keep scrolling and see what's next?
Oh, inside.
Yeah. They do these little trucks bad.
Hurry up with the bag.
I'm not. It says the roof.
What? Roof? I know they lying.
I know they lying. This looks. So I guess they'll never wash it though, huh?
What you think? Good?
Good.
Alright.
Alright. He said go. Oh, he said go continue.
Alright guys, so we're expecting the U-Haul. This is life of an entrepreneur, guys. Doing large pop-ups. Oh, the light's bad. So if we're doing large pop-ups like we are doing tomorrow, I mean this whole weekend, not just tomorrow, we need U-Hauls like this. A big U-Haul. Yeah. Act like I'm working.
Let me do it for the video.
Yes, I did.
Push it all the way up. To the back.
Okay guys, it is like 10:30 at night. It's been a busy day for us. I'm just trying to make 2 shirts, one for me and one for a customer. Tomorrow is Juneteenth. Well, tomorrow is not the actual Juneteenth, but it is the weekend of it. So I feel like this is perfect. I'm making 2 shirts at once. Kill 2 stones with a 1 bird. Is it the same?
No.
What's it saying?
Kill 1 bird with 2 stones.
There we go. I'm tired, guys. We have to be up at least a couple hours. What happened to the black? Please be close. I do not have the strength, guys, right now. Oh, here you go, black. Okay, so the shirt that I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow is white, so I'm gonna have black for that one, and then I'm gonna put the other one, I'm gonna print it on white. So yeah, let me see. I'm gonna pop you guys up, and then we're gonna start. As soon as this is done, I'm going to go to sleep. So you guys already know the process of making these. I'm gonna push mirror because it has to be mirrored. Let's see. Let me bring this a little down to 4, and then bring this a little. Which is fine. Stops at 3. All right. So let me get started. Alright, so this is the shirt. I'm at the. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, there it is. Nice. I was a little worried. Yeah. Alright, it's time for us to go to sleep, guys.
We got to.